The nerve cell is very simple. Primarily, the cell body, or the soma, is the main part of the cell. It contains the nucleus, which regulates the activities of the nerve cell and controls them. It also contains all the DNA of the cell. Now, the dendrites' function is to obtain information from other cells and carry that information to the cell body. Then the nucleus will send the necessary electrical impulses through the cell via the axon. The axon then sends that information to the axon or synapses terminals. Now, the way it does this is it uses the Menin sheath and the Schwann cell, which both insulate the nerve and allow electrical impulses to transmit quickly and efficiently along the nerve cell. The Schwann cells in particular increase the conduction of the neuron, which allows for those electrical impulses to travel more smoothly. The node of Ranvier helps bridge the gap between the Menin sheaths, and this facilitates and helps the nerve impulses to continue traveling down the axon to the axon terminals. At the end of each axon is the synapse terminal. This is where the electrical impulses are sent from one nerve cell to another. This happens by synaptic communication. This occurs when the neurotransmitters leave the sending axon and enter into a synaptic cleft or space in between the axon and the dendrites. They are then received, those neurotransmitters, by the receptors of the dendrites into the receiving nerve cell, which then continues this process for as long as necessary to send the correct information from one cell to the cell that needs the information.